So let's not delay this any further. Let's watch this right away. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel guys, and in this video I will be watching the teaser of an upcoming Telugu film which stars Dulquer Salmaan. So very excited. So this movie is called Lucky Bhaskar and we have Dulquer Salmaan and Meenakshi Chaudhary. So yeah, I don't want to delay this any further. It's almost like a 1.5 minute teaser. Let's watch this.
He's a common man.
Bhaskar.
Common. Middle class. Indian man.
He's more reliable. He's more eligible.
Bhaskar.
Okay.
బ్యాంక్ కి తనే కరెక్ట్.
ఒక సాధారణ బ్యాంక్ ఎంప్లాయీ అకౌంట్ లో ఇంత డబ్బా. మిడిల్ క్లాస్
He has very good luck.
మేమింతే. కష్టం వస్తే ఖర్చులు తగ్గించుకొని రూపాయి దాచుకుంటాం. పంతం వస్తే ₹1 కూడా మిగిల్చకుండా ఖర్చు పెట్టేస్తాం సార్. ఎక్కడి నుండి మొదలు పెడదాం?
This looks interesting. July. This looks quite interesting, guys. Okay, let me stop this. That dialogue was quite interesting. That we are middle class people. We literally earn, but we try to save every penny and we do not spend it. But if we are determined, we spend like nobody's business. How we spend more than what a spendthrift would do. I love, firstly, can I just say, in terms of the teaser edit, I loved it. They have shown a lot of shots, very random, very dynamic. They kind of show that Bhaskar is a very normal person. He's a bank employee and his life is just normal. But then suddenly there's a twist. He has a lot of money and then it is about money. Is he a fraudster? Is his luck really good? Like, we don't know. And this is how a teaser should be cut. And I recently had reacted to the teaser of this Hindi film Shrikant starring Rajkumar Rao, and I was talking about this exact thing, that was the trailer, and I was just talking about it, that the entire trailer gave out sequentially how the events are going to play out in the film. And I said, who the hell edited this trailer out? It shouldn't be like this. Like, leave something out for the audiences to speculate and be excited for. Like, yes, it's a biopic. I'm very excited for it. But the trailer was just so underwhelming. It was nice. It was very feel good. But it just gave out the whole film. The trailer was equal to the movie, basically. But this is exactly what I mean when I say that, it's so important to build up that curiosity amongst the viewers, because nowadays we're just bombarded with just so many trailers and teasers. How are you going to stand apart, right? Either you just show amazing visuals, either you show the big action set pieces, but in a film like this is set in a different era. Obviously this is set in the past era. I am guessing this more looks to me like maybe 80s, but the point is that the thing is, but it just created that curiosity, because I'm interested to know who is Bhaskar, and that is exactly what the teaser is supposed to do. You are supposed to create that excitement for the central character, which it did so beautifully. Like, I want to know what's up with Bhaskar, huh? So I loved kudos to you, whoever edited this trailer out. The music used was also very dynamic. It was fun, but it was also a little bit menacing. I don't know, I got the feeling of, I mean, there's no comparison, but just vibe-wise, I'm saying, I got the feeling of Catch Me If You Can, which was, starring Leonardo DiCaprio and Tom Hanks. Like, that was the vibe, right? There was a different kind of dynamic. There was a different kind of fun factor. But there was, obviously, it was like a cat and mouse chase. So I'm getting that feeling from this teaser as well in terms of just the vibe. I hope you understand what I mean. I hope I'm able to explain. So yeah, very very excited, and I think this is the next Telugu film of DQ after Sita Ramam. So a good shift, I must say, a very very different kind of shift. So yeah, I'm very very excited to see what the trailer entails and maybe what kind of songs and promo material we're going to get. Always excited to watch. To know more about a DQ film. And with that, I will end the reaction here. Those were my thoughts for the teaser of Lucky Bhaskar. You guys let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And with that, I will see you soon on my next one. Bye.